My name's Steve Davis, and I'm retired now, and I'm paying back for a life of being a jock. I played college basketball, and in my military career, I didn't slow down for one bit. I had horrible knee problems, 7 surgeries, decided it was time to get a replacement. Dr. Jacobs, best guy within 5,000 miles from here. So I'm 70 plus days with a new knee, and it's doing great. The sensors made a lot of sense to me. I've always followed my activity and exercise routines on my Apple Watch, and so this was just an extension of that. Slap the sensors on, get them aligned, and start my day. I'm a creature of habit. It's usually 7 o'clock in the morning, I'm putting them on and getting credit for all the work that I'm doing during the day to get the knee better. I didn't have any problems with the app at all. It's got an avatar, and it really is pretty simple. It tracks the degrees that you're using that leg and the amount of use the leg gets, and it's right there on your phone. It's easy to use, it's easy to log in. Somebody like me, I'm goal-oriented, so it definitely made me do it and stick with it. And being able to track all your steps and what you do activity-wise, the amount of time that you spend on your knee recovery to the day, it does all that for you. So it's a great part of having the sensor and the technology.